Did you know that right now, watching this, your brain is running a secret empathy test on you? Yawning is contagious. You already knew that, but here is what most people never find out. Scientists discovered that the urge to yawn when someone else does is actually driven by the same neural system behind human empathy, mirror neurons. The tiny brain cells that make you flinch when someone else gets hurt. And when researchers started measuring who catches contagious yawns and who does not, something unsettling showed up. People who never catch them score measurably higher on psychopathy scales. Not slightly higher, measurably, consistently higher. Think about that. One of the most embarrassing, involuntary things your body does turns out to be a quiet signal that you can feel for other people. Psychologists at the University of Connecticut ran this exact test in 2015. Participants with lower empathy scores yawned back far less often. The connection was real. So here is the question you are already asking yourself. Did you yawn just now? Welcome to Micro Theories. See you in the next one.